It's no secret that men are often thought to get cold feet regarding relationships. After all, commitment is a big deal, and it can be intimidating to take that leap. But why do men get cold feet? The truth is, there are a variety of reasons. For starters, men may fear commitment because they fear the unknown. They may be unsure if the relationship will last or if they will be able to make it work. This can create a lot of insecurity and cause them to hesitate when taking the next step. Men may also be scared of getting hurt. If they've been in a string of bad relationships or hurt in the past, they may be hesitant to invest in another relationship. And this can cause them to take a step back and think twice before committing. Men may also be scared of the responsibility that comes along with commitment. They may worry about not being able to provide for their partner or having to make a lot of compromises, which can lead them to question if they're ready for the commitment. Finally, men may be scared of the expectations that come with commitment. They may be scared that they won't be able to meet their partner's expectations, or they may be scared of being judged by others. This can lead them to doubt themselves and their ability to make the relationship work. At the end of the day, the reasons for men getting cold feet in relationships vary from person to person. But it's essential to be understanding and patient if you're in a relationship and you're noticing that your partner is hesitating to commit. Talk to them and try to get to the root of the issue. This can help you both to make an informed decision about the relationship. Is your man getting cold feet? Let us know in the comments below.